Alright, y'all, so this is what I got so far. Fruits and veggies. They had a lot of local deals. What's this? Some arugula, some salad. Y'all see what I got in there. Garlic, okra, fresh thyme. Make some more oregano oil for immunity. Palm oil. They got some bean sprouts. Instead of getting green onion, I got this. It's called Cebolito. They had blackberries on sale for 79 cents. Papaya, some carrots, I got a half a cabbage. Maybe make some cabbage, some plum tomatoes. Oh, they had kimchi, y'all. Y'all know I had tried this for the first time at that little Korean barbecue place where you cook your own meat. Not a fan of that, but this was good. So I found a little jar of kimchi. Hopefully it's good. Plantain, grapes with seeds. So that's what we got so far. So y'all picked up a few more things. Y'all already know I get my espresso from the local market. I ended up picking up some swai fish. If y'all ever had swai fish, tell me how it tastes. Well, I already have eaten this by the time you let me know, but I'm gonna make this fish stew tonight. Got some whole grain rotini. And they had some African chicken on sale, so I got 2 of those. I think that's all I got so far since y'all last saw me. I thought I wasn't gonna buy no meat, but I forgot I did need to make fish stew tonight. So let's keep going. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything that I got from this haul. First of my haul for the month of May 2024. This is everything I got from Family Dollar, excluding some clothes that I got on clearance. Y'all, if you don't know now you know. My sister had a baby girl, so I'll show you guys some of the clothes that I got her because she won't see this video before I give her the clothes. So basically I got 2 of these chow mein noodles. Y'all know I'm so into Panda Express and chow mein noodles. So I got 2 of these to try. One of them is in the microwave right now. So if you hear the microwave go off, that's what the other one is. Price will be either in this little box at that side or this side for these. I got these Homeline freezer bags. You get 45 bags. Double zipper. I got the Homeline lavender. I guess it's their brand of Fabuloso. It was on sale, so that's why I got it. I got some zip top storage bags, just some more storage bags for food and snacks and things like that. I got 2 of these grow kits. I saw these at checkout. I think the price is actually there. Yeah, it's $1.25. This one is the strawberry grow kit, and then the other grow kit over here is the basil one. Saw these upon checking out. Got 2 of the Folgers cappuccino French vanilla. You get 4 in each box. I always get 2. Got these little cute baby hats for my sis. She already knew about these. They had a deal for like get $1 or $2 off of the strawberry cheesecake Ben & Jerry's ice cream. I think it's all the flavors. So I just got this ice cream. Over here I got the little individual Folgers coffee little things you could put in like like on the go. And then I got 2 of those Cascade pods for my dishwasher. You do get 4 in here. And I want to say these were $1. I think they were on sale. But that is everything that I got, like, grocery-wise from Family Dollar. Alright, y'all. So them noodles is calling my name. But I'm finna show y'all all the little clothes I had got off for clearance. All the prices going to be at the bottom because I don't really remember what she charged me for them. A lot of the stuff was sets that people had broke off and they just was selling the pants and the shirts individually. So, that's what a lot of this stuff is. So I got at Aviva these little cute baby fat pants with some ruffles on the side. Like, y'all, do not sleep on Family Dollar clothes. I'm telling you, toddler and baby stuff, they always got like $5 little like sets. Like if you just need a quick outfit, you need a quick gift for like a baby shower. So baby, do not sleep on Family Dollar. I got these little baby fat pants. I got the size 2T, so hopefully she could fit these. If not, they will be going to my sister, and they're brand new. Got her these other pair of pants with some sparkles. Actually, she got some pants like this from Target, size 4T. Not sure if it was a set or something, but that was that. Got this cute little shirt that says Mini Moods. I want to say I got this in a 3T. Yeah, 3T. These are just some little gray jogging pants. Got it in a size 4T. Pink jogging pants. They're also baby fat. And I got these in a size 3T. Got the little baby fat emblem on the bottom. I still like baby fat, y'all. I don't care what nobody say. I grew up in that era, baby fat, apple bottom jeans, you know. Got this cute little two-piece outfit. It's a pair of jeans and this shirt that goes with it says Be Happy and Smile. If you're wanting to know Family Dollar's brand of clothes, it's called Kidgets. That's how it's spelled right there, Kidgets. And they go up to like girls, like big girl size. They even have women's clothes. Like I get a lot of my clothes from Family Dollar too. So that was everything I got for Viva. Stuff I got for the new baby. Amber, if you watching this, look, you seen this stuff already before I posted. So yeah, got her this little 6 to 9 month little onesie. And then I got her 2 Baby Shark shirts. One is a size 0 to 3 months and one is a size 6 to 9 months, so she can wear it long term. So that's 2 of those. I wish they had one for Viva. And then I got this cute onesie that says I am the future with the little Africa thing on it. And I think this is a size 6 to 9. Oh, 3 to 6 months. This is also another brand of Family Dollar too. A lot of their like ethnic stuff. Like I have a lot of like pro-black shirts and like African American, like, you know, stuff like that. I've even got some shirts too. They sell a lot of that too. And they sell it all year round. They don't just sell it around Black History Month. Then I got this cute set. It's a shirt and little onesie and pants. It says, alright y'all, so this is some of the stuff I got from my local market. But just show y'all everything I got. I may have to do this in like a couple parts because everything wouldn't fit on this table. But this is from the store Cermark Fruit Market, the first place I went to. So let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. I got 2 of these Mom's Best cereals, these Quick Oats, 2 of the Barilla Whole Grain Rotini. I was gonna say what the other one had, but here it is. Here's the other box, y'all. So I got 2 of those. We got some Red Globe grapes, or what they call grapes with seed. See that there, Red Globe with seed grapes. We got some oregano because I want to make some oregano oil. You guys see the price there. I got this kimchi. Hopefully it's good. It says Korea kimchi. I think I have like 6 plum tomatoes, but they somewhere in one of these bags. So it's actually 6 of these. I got some guacamole here. They make this fresh at the market. And I got it in the mild, I think. Yeah, mild. That's how much this was for 8 ounces. Then I got a half of cabbage just to have some veggies. Just gonna shred it up. I think those corns were 6 corns for $1.99, so it's 6 corns on the cob there. Then I got this spring mix, $2.04. Quite a bit of salad, so good for the week. And then I got this fresh arugula. I also mixed that with the salad for $2.97. And then back there, I just got some okra, fresh okra. And this pack is $1.88. And then I think the other pack is also $1.88. So that was some of the stuff I got from Cermark. And I'm going to put all this away and then show y'all the next batch of stuff. Alright, y'all, this is the next batch of stuff from Cermark. Got a half of papaya, $1.99. Some pure espresso coffee. I got 2 packs of the mild cheddar cheese. You get 10 slices. Palm oil. And then underneath those things were, hold on, why is everything falling? Stop it. Underneath those things was the steak or the fish I'm gonna make tonight. It's the sway fish steak. Got these, 6 pieces in here for $8.22. They didn't have any green onions, so I got this cebolita with these little bulbs at the end. It kind of reminds you of green onion, so got that. Back there is 2 bags of yellow onions. I think they 3 pounds each. If I'm wrong, I will let you guys know. Yep, 3 pounds each. Got some Skippy peanut butter, some garlic. These El Ranchero, what is these called? Girl, I don't know. It's these Mexican tortilla chips, girl. They be busting. I was gonna get the one in the brown bag, but they was like $6 and these was like $2-3. So I was like, yeah, let me go with these. These good too. Got some bean sprouts because I seen a lady put these in water and she was, making them grow or something so you can have endless bean sprouts. So I'm gonna take half of this and do something with it, cook it or something, and then the other half I'm gonna sprout in a jar. And this was $1.07 because I've been looking for bean sprouts, like fresh bean sprouts. And when I seen them, I'm like, okay, we're gonna see how this go, and then I'm gonna get another pack for the freezer or something. Next thing I got here is a box of Rice Krispies, the big box, 18 ounces. I then got some blackberries, the Driscolls. They were on sale. I think these were 79 cents. Just got some little blackberries. And then 2 cucumbers back there, and then 4 of the loose carrots. That's everything on this part. Alright, y'all, excuse the background. The back got windows open. Anyways, y'all, we got the sourdough bread. Trying to stop eating white bread. Okay, trying to start eating real bread. These got some really good ingredients and it's really healthy for you. So, sourdough bread. Got some oven classic. Wait. Got some oven turkey breast, y'all. I don't know why that's worded like that. 2 unsweetened apple sauces, non-GMO. They both 46 ounces each. Underneath here, I got some, y'all, I needed everything. I got some sandwich bags. You got 100 bags with the zip top. Hope it's zip top. Yep, zip top. Then I got the little snacky bags. Also 100 with the zip top. I got the raspberries. I don't think these were on, no, these were on sale at Aldi's. Then I got these little energy, like water enhancers. One is acai berry. And one is Tropical Fusion from Pure Aqua. That is Aldi's brand of like juices and waters and stuff. Limes were on sale. A bag of limes. They look pretty good, so got them. Basically it's cream cheese, but it's supposed to be like less the fat, so I got that. I'm gonna try making me some bagels, so I bought them. Baby wipes. Got them from here since they had the little 3 packs instead of the 1 big pack. Sugar-free coffee creamer. We ain't trying to eat all that sugar, real sugar, okay? French vanilla coffee creamer. And it is 32 ounces. Got some lemonade drink mix to do like for the pitcher. Says it has 6 servings out of here. Well, it makes 6 4-quarts, so... Yep, got the turkey polska sausage. You guys know I always get this. You can fry this up with some peppers and onion, baby. You can eat it for lunch, dinner, breakfast, scramble an egg. 2 boxes of the black tea, 100 bags. I think it was like on sale too. The manila mangoes or yellow mangoes, and they're pretty ripe. So, yep, got a bag of the green bell peppers because baby we be eating over here, okay? And 2 of the large eggs, 12 count. They were also, I think, on sale. They were like $2.08. Y'all know eggs been expensive, so. Alright, y'all, excuse the angle of this stuff over here. This was some orange juice I got, no pulp free from Aldi's. These vanilla sandwich cream cookies. Pack of 25 ounces, and it's family size for like snacks and stuff. Got this big box of Turtles Baked extra cheddar crackers, and it is 19 ounces. And then over here, y'all, excuse the stuff being everywhere. Got these frosted flakes here. Family size. It is 26.8 ounces. And that is everything we got today, y'all. I'm going to cook later and I'm going to show y'all my little fish stew. But y'all, I'm finna take a nap. So I will see y'all in the next video.